Welcome to Peace Booster. Today we'll be making potatoes and beans. To begin, add 1 tablespoon of oil to a pan. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of grated ginger and 1/2 teaspoon of chopped green chilies. Mix. Add potatoes cut it in small pieces. Mix. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix. Now add salt as per taste. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder. We used Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix. Mix well and cover for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, add small chopped green beans. Mix. Cover for 2 to 4 minutes. After 2 to 4 minutes, mix again. And add 1 small chopped tomato. Mix well. And cover for 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes, mix again. And add some coriander leaves. Mix. And lastly, add 1/2 teaspoon of fried cumin powder. Mix. Garnish with some coriander leaves and our food will be ready to serve. Remember, our food gets its real taste when it's made in remembrance of God. Also, listen to some divine music. You can get such music from our channel, Peace Booster. Thanks for watching!